Welcome to Sydney everyone, where the local time has just gone 6:44 PM. For your safety you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. The use of mobile phones in the terminal is not permitted by Australian law until you have cleared customs and quarantine. When disembarking, we ask that passengers maintain a continuous flow and where possible avoid blocking the aisle for the passengers behind you. If you are connecting to a domestic flight, you are required to collect your bags in Australia and clear customs. Follow the signs for domestic transfers. If you're connecting to an international flight and if your bags have been checked through to that flight, then follow the signs for international transfers. After passing security, check the departure screen for details of your next flight and ensure that you are at the gate an hour before departure. And everyone staying here, please ensure you have your documents available for checking on arrival. I do have 3 passengers with very tight connections this evening. I do ask that they disembark the aircraft first once we have arrived and the seatbelt sign is turned off. I also ask that all passengers remain seated so that these tight connections can leave quickly. From all of the team, we hope you have enjoyed flying with New Zealand on the Star Alliance network. We would like to thank you all, including our Airpoints members, and look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Take care, mā te wā, and enjoy the rest of your evening ahead.